This review is based on my personal experience and knowledge as an experienced product marketing expert. Today, I would like to share my thoughts on the Cool Coolers by Fit and Fresh 4-Pack XL Slim Ice Packs, a product that I recently had the opportunity to test out. The Cool Coolers by Fit and Fresh 4-Pack XL. Slim ice packs are an excellent addition to any individual's or family's collection of food storage accessories. This set of ice packs comes in a vibrant and attractive multicolor design, adding a touch of fun to your cooler bag or lunchbox. One of the standout features of these ice packs is their slim design. They're perfectly sized to fit easily into any lunchbox or cooler bag without taking up too much space. The slim profile allows for more room to store your food while keeping it fresh and cool throughout the day. Made from durable plastic, these ice packs are built to last. The material is of high quality and feels sturdy in hand.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.